The world of gaming smartphones with one of the most talked about devices right now, the REDMAGIC 9 Pro Plus 5G. This gaming powerhouse comes with a fresh design, new accessories, and loads of features that cater to hardcore gamers. From the fan cooler to the RGB Bluetooth speaker, this phone is loaded with extras that truly make it stand out. Let's jump right into it. Now, let's take a closer look at the star of the show. It looks absolutely stunning with its futuristic design. The rear panel has these subtle patterns that give off a sleek, metallic feel. It's a phone that looks and feels premium right out of the box. No micro SD slot, but who needs it with 1 TB of storage, right? The REDMAGIC 9 Pro Plus 5G retains all the iconic gaming features we've come to love, like the L1 and R1 shoulder triggers, cooling vents, and RGB lighting. On the side, we have the volume rocker, power button, and a dedicated game mode switch. Up top, there's an audio jack, infrared blaster, and a speaker. Down below, you'll find another speaker, USB-C port, and SIM tray. The fan cooler is still a part of the design, ensuring this phone stays cool during intense gaming sessions. And speaking of cool, the RGB lighting on this thing is just amazing. On the back, we got a triple camera setup with an LED flash, all laid out in a simple yet stylish manner. The front of the phone is where things get interesting. There's no punch hole or notch for the front camera because it's hidden under the display. That means you get a full, uninterrupted screen for gaming or media consumption, and it looks fantastic. Speaking of the display, the REDMAGIC 9 Pro Plus 5G features a full, bezel-less screen with a refresh rate that can go up to 120 Hz. It's smooth, responsive, and perfect for gaming. The phone boots up with a cool REDMAGIC animation, and once you are in, the UI is sleek with those familiar REDMAGIC touches. The wallpapers are just as futuristic, giving the phone that next-gen feel right from the start. Now, let's talk about the accessories that make this phone a true gaming beast. First up, the RGB Bluetooth speaker. This little guy attaches magnetically to the back of the phone, enhancing the already impressive audio with some deep bass. It even has RGB lighting to match the phone's aesthetics. Next, we got the fan cooler. It's easy to install, and once it's on, it keeps the phone cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. It's got its own RGB lights, and it's just so satisfying to see and use. Now for the real test gaming performance. The REDMAGIC 9 Pro Plus 5G is powered by the Snapdragon Gen 3 chipset with Adreno 750 GPU, and it handles everything like a dream. From Genshin Impact to Call of Duty Mobile, this phone delivers top-notch performance with no hiccups. The shoulder triggers are responsive, the fan keeps things cool, and the RGB lights add that extra flair. The audio is crisp and the visuals are stunning, thanks to that high refresh rate and bright, punchy display. For those interested in numbers, the REDMAGIC 9 Pro Plus 5G scored an impressive 2,312,565 on Antutu, which is among the highest we've seen. It's running Android 14 with all the latest connectivity features, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. The battery is a solid 5500 mAh, and with 165W fast charging, you're never out of juice for long. Geekbench scores single-core hit 2,203, and multi-core scored 6,988. And the 3D Mark Slingshot score a whopping 9,356. So, what's the verdict on the REDMAGIC 9 Pro Plus 5G? It's an absolute beast of a gaming phone. From the design to the performance, accessories, and features, it ticks all the boxes for a top-tier gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone who spends hours grinding, this phone has got you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Catch you in the next one.